All right, let's talk some legal stories out there. Quentin Brogdon, attorney who's been on the show numerous times, joining me now. Quentin, good morning.
Good morning, Bloomdaddy. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for being on here. Let's start in Miami Beach, imposing an emergency curfew over spring break chaos. What's the legal angle here?
Well, you've got a play out between local officials and governors. It's going on in many states. The governor has basically opened the state up, and the local authorities in Miami Beach are crying foul. And you've seen some of the video that's gone viral of students, and it's a debate whether they're all students or some of them are troublemakers getting in heated confrontations with the local authorities. So that's what's going on, and the Miami Beach is imposing a curfew, and the governor is, it's a play out of power between local versus statewide authorities. We see it play out again and again.
Who ends up winning those most of the time?
Most of the time, the governor. When you're the governor, you've got the trump card there, so to speak. And but the local authorities have some power, and so they do have a power of the curfew, and they're using it. And they've gone on the media, particularly the Miami Beach folks, are saying, "Hey, the governor did this to us."
Let's go to topic number 2 here. Florida's Attorney General, and I'm talking about Ashley Moody, suing the Biden administration over dangerous immigration policies, calling them reckless. How do you see this playing out? How tough is that going to be able to be proven in a court of law?
Well, we have, again, this is a dance we've seen before. We see an attorney general of one party suing the president of another, or the administration of the president of another. We saw it during the Trump administration with Democratic attorney generals in states. Now we're seeing the converse. Now that Biden is in, Republican attorneys general are filing lawsuits over various things in federal court. There was a joint lawsuit filed by Arizona and Montana about immigration, and now Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody. Yeah, we're still in Florida in the second story. She's citing a failure on the part of the Biden White House to deport enough immigrants. Essentially, frustration has boiled over. There are some new ICE, Immigration Authority, Enforcement Authority policies that are going to result in less deportations, and this lawsuit is attempting to get that upended. It really depends often, cynics would say, on who the judge is to which the case is assigned, how this goes.
All right. Attorney Loretta Powers, not available today. Quentin Brogdon, another attorney, pinch hitting. This one's almost even hard to talk about. This shows how crazy some people are, Quentin. You got a killer who propped his dead wife on a sofa while the kids opened Christmas presents. This is going on in court right now, correct?
Yes, this is in the Stranger Than Fiction department. A man named William Wallace allegedly murdered his 26-year-old wife, Zazelle Preston, in Anaheim, California. It's been, about a decade ago, and he's been waiting trial during the whole decade. And allegedly, after a heated fight on Christmas Eve, he props her body up the next morning in front of the kids and says, basically, Mama got drunk, and they opened the gifts in front of their mother's corpse, the kids, unknowingly. And that's what the charge is, that he murdered her. And his attorney says that, she got drunk, fell into the glass table, and died. So it's Stranger Than Fiction. It sounds like a TV movie almost. Yeah,
he put sunglasses on her and just propped her up and told the kids that like you said, she got drunk and ruined Christmas. I mean, it's unbelievable. Quentin, thanks for pinch hitting today. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Stay safe there.